Welcome to this episode. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic about AI that often gets overlooked. AI is not truth, it's probability. It's a subtle but powerful distinction that changes how we should interact with AI outputs.
Yeah, it's interesting because most people, even experts, tend to trust AI more than they realize. We ask a question, get a confident, clear answer, and our brains just assume this must be right. But that confidence is really an illusion.
Exactly. AI doesn't deliver truth. It delivers the most probable answer based on patterns it has learned from massive data sets. So, it's not verifying facts or checking accuracy, it's predicting what's statistically likely to come next.
Right. And that's where the confusion starts. For example, if you ask AI, what are the benefits of drinking coffee? You'll get answers like improved focus, increased energy, cognitive boost. Sounds reasonable, right?
Mhm.
But then if you ask, is coffee always good for health? You get a different set of answers. Anxiety, sleep disruption, dependency. Both answers sound correct because they reflect common patterns in the data, but neither is an absolute truth.
That's a great illustration. AI is essentially a pattern completion engine, not a fact checker. It's like a statistical mirror reflecting what's common or likely, not an oracle revealing objective reality.
And that leads us to how AI builds its answers. It's trained on huge amounts of text, articles, blogs, books, forums, conversations. It learns how language is structured, how arguments are formed, and what responses typically follow certain questions.
But it doesn't look up verified facts. Instead, it calculates the most probable response based on similar patterns it has seen before. So, if misinformation or bias is common in the training data, AI will reproduce and even amplify those errors.
Exactly. Take the question, why do most startups fail? A, I will list reasons like lack of funding, poor market fit, bad execution. These are widely repeated narratives. But are they always true? Or complete? Not necessarily.
That's a key epistemic limitation. AI's output reflects the prevalence of ideas in its training data, not their factual accuracy or completeness.
And here's where the confidence trap really kicks in. AI doesn't just give answers, it gives them with confidence, clarity, and structure. Our brains naturally equate confidence with correctness.
But in AI, confidence means pattern strength, not truth. AI can generate fake statistics, invent references, or confidently explain wrong concepts, and still sound convincing.
That's dangerous because it creates false confidence, leading to bad decisions and over reliance on AI outputs without proper validation.
So the critical shift is to never trust AI just because it sounds right. Always validate.
Which brings us to the TAJ framework: think, ask, judge, accomplish. It's a practical approach to using AI responsibly.
Right. First, think. Be clear about what you want to verify. Don't just ask generic questions like, tell me about AI. Instead, ask targeted questions like, what are the risks of relying on AI outputs without validation?
Then ask. Structure your questions to request sources, alternatives, and assumptions. For example, give me 3 perspectives on this topic with pros and cons. This helps expose different angles and underlying biases.
The most neglected step is judge. You have to cross check AI's answers, question their consistency, verify facts, and identify biases. Without this, you're just accepting probability as truth.
And only after rigorous judgment should you accomplish, apply, or act on the AI generated information.
The key insight here is simple. AI plus no judgment equals risk. AI plus judgment equals power.
We see real world failures when this isn't followed, like people blindly trusting AI for medical or legal advice, leading to harmful decisions.
Or AI generating fake references, citations, research papers, statistics that look legitimate but are fabricated or outdated.
And business decisions based on AI suggestions without context, market conditions, timing, execution realities often result in poor outcomes.
These examples highlight that AI output is a starting point, not a definitive answer.
So, the right way to use AI is for ideation, structuring content, drafting, exploring alternatives, and comparing options.
But not for final decisions. blind trust, or critical judgment.
The golden rule is AI generates possibilities. Humans decide reality.
And instead of asking, is this correct? We should ask, what could be wrong here? That mindset shift fosters healthy skepticism and critical thinking.
To wrap up, the old approach was AI gives answers. You trust, you act.
The new approach is AI suggests, you evaluate, you decide.
Because AI is probability, not truth. Our role is to convert probabilistic outputs into validated, actionable knowledge.
So try using the TA job framework. Think, ask, judge, accomplish to harness AI's power responsibly.
That's a solid takeaway. It's about partnering with AI intelligently, not blindly following it.
Exactly. Understanding this distinction is essential for anyone working with AI today.
Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for listening.